Good morning, Kinderby students. Today is Wednesday, and yesterday we did something with these. Who remembers what these are called? I have the answer right up there, so let me hear you nice and loud. 10 frames. Yes. Yesterday we did addition with 10 frames. So guess what we're doing today? Right, we're doing subtraction with 10 frames. So we are going to be taking out our paper, this paper here. We're going to be doing page 261 together. Remember, I'm going to share my screen with you just like we do in class. That's what I'm going to do here for today's lesson. So go ahead and get your paper and a pencil and an eraser, and we'll do this one together. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen with you. Okay, just a moment. It's loading, guys. Just one moment. And there we are. So now you are seeing what I'm seeing. So we are going to be subtracting with 10 frames. So let's read the directions, what it says right here. I'm going to highlight what we're going to read. Mark off to subtract. Find the differences. Okay, so remember, when we see the word difference, that's giving us a clue of what we're going to be doing. Difference means to subtract. Remember, we can use the word subtract, minus, less than, difference. So when you hear those terms, you're going to be subtracting, taking away, using the subtraction sign. Okay, so we see here, we first see here in this first box, this one is blank. What do you think goes there? Yes, the amount of pictures goes there. So we got to count what's in, how many pictures are in each 10 frame and put that number there. Let's go ahead and count together. I'm going to take my finger. You can take your finger or your pencil and make a little dot as we count. Ready? Let's count the first 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many pictures are there altogether? There are 12. You are correct. So we have 12. Take away 8. Now, we could do 12 take away 8 using many different methods that we've learned this past year with subtracting, or we could mark off how many, and then pictures, how many of those fish? Oh, they are stingrays. How many stingrays are we going to mark off? Right, 8. We're going to mark off 8. So I'm going to mark off. How are you going to mark off? I'm going to be doing an X to mark off 8 stingrays. Okay, let me mark off 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. I started on the bottom. I don't know why. I should start from the top and mark from the top to the bottom. But I did count out 8 and I marked off 8. So how many are left? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So that answer is 4. Okay, number 2. Let's count how many fish there are. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 fish, so that's going to go in the empty box right here. And then, so the problem is 14, take away 5. So let's take 5 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 5 away. Did you take 5 away? Okay, good. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 14 take away 9. 5 is 9. There are 9 left. Okay, for number 3, why don't you count how many fish are in the 10 frames and write the answer, and then I'm going to show you my answer, and hopefully we're both right. Go ahead, I'm gonna give you a minute to get started to count and write your number in the box. Okay, did you write this number? 17. Yes, that is 17. Remember, don't write your 17 this way because that says 71. So there are 17 fish. Take away 9. You go ahead and mark off 9. I'm going to mark off 9. And then let's put our answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I marked off my 9. Did you mark off your 9? Okay, great. Now, how many do you count? How many fish are left? You write the number and we'll see if we're the same. Did you put your answer? Okay, here's my answer. 8. 17 minus 9 equals 8. Did you get it? Good job. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and turn it over to the back of our paper. So here's what the back looks like, guys. So go ahead and flip it over to the back while I erase this front. And let me flip it over to the back. Bear with me a minute. Okay, there it is. I got to erase my markings on this paper. I'm not sure. Okay, there we go. Miss Bartolome is still learning how to do this, but I think I got it for the most part, but I wanted to erase this side. Okay, so let's look at number 4. Okay, so it says, ooh, look what we're gonna have to get. It says roll a number cube. I know some of you liked your number cubes. We're gonna do the first few with my number cube. Here's a number cube, or what do you know this says? Dice. You're right. You only need one though. We only need one today. So we get to write in the number that we see on the bottom half of your subtraction problem. So let's look at number 4. 16 minus, let me go ahead and roll this. I have a 2. I know you probably can't see it right that far. So we're going to put a 2 right here. And then we could do, I'm going to use my number line here, my number line, but I don't have 16. So let me write a 16 on my number line. Okay. Let me write a 16 and then take away 2. 1, 2. So I end up at 14. So 16 take away 2 is 14. You could also use counters. You could also put the big number in your head and count backwards, but I'm going to just use a number line for the back half of this. Let me get my dry erase marker. Now we're on the number 5, which is right below it, guys. So right below it, number 5. 11, I'm going to roll my dice. Take away, what number is that? 4. So remember, guys, it's right underneath. 11, take away 4. So let me take my number line, 11, jump back 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did I end up on? 7, right. So my answer is 7. Okay, let me erase that. Okay. Next one, we're at number 6, guys, right below it. 6, take away 6, take away 6. Oh, who can get that answer? We gotta put the 6 in here. So 6 take away 6 is what? 0. Right. Okay, now we're at number 7. What's the top number? 13, take away 3. 13, take away 3. So I'm going to put a 3 here first. Then I'm going to get my number line, 13. And I go this way to take away. 1, 2, 3. What did I land on? 10. That's a 10. Okay, now number 8 is 14. Take away. What number are we going to put on the bottom there? 1. 14, take away 1. Well, we're going to start at the 14. And we're going to jump back 1, which gives us what? 13. Now number 9. 15, take away, let me roll my dice. 15, take away 3. So I gotta write a 3 in. So 15, take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Where did I land? 12. So my answer is 12. So number 10, 11, 12, I'm going to let you guys get your dice because I know how much fun you had that. You can either use a number line to subtract, or you could get goldfish, or you could put the big number in your head and count backwards. And